Why do alarm clocks
even exist?
Like, you set one for 7 o'clock thinking you'll wake up fresh, but when it goes off,
It feels like your soul just got punched.
you think just 5 more minutes and hit snooze. Then when the alarm goes off again, you're like,
Okay, I'm getting up. You close your eyes for just 1 second, open them again, and boom!
it's been 30 minutes. Like, bro, I just time traveled.
Against my will.
Or sometimes the alarm doesn't even wake you up.
It just becomes part of your dream.
Suddenly I'm at a concert, and instead of music, the band's just playing my iPhone ringtone on loop. Some random horses are floating, and I'm riding them with the ringtone for some reason. My brain's like,
Yeah, this seems normal.
and when you finally realize this is just a dream,
You're already cooked
it's 9:45, and your mom is standing in front of you with flippers. At that point, you might as well go back to sleep.
because you aren't waking up again.